we all know that annoying feeling, don't we, when an appliance or a beloved item at home breaks. But instead of replacing it, a charity is encouraging us to repair it. The Repair Cafe has more than 130 pop-up locations across Wales where volunteers give broken items a second chance. And it's all for free. Caddy Gwyn Edwards went along to find out more.
A place where broken items get another lease of life.
Good morning, Remake Newport, Katie speaking. How can I help?
It's a cafe with a practical twist where anyone can pop in for a cup of tea and a chance to fix a beloved item for free. When Dave found his mother's old sewing machine, he and wife Lorraine hoped it would stitch again.
It's been sort of shut up in the attic and then a spare bedroom, and it is quite rusty as well.
It's probably over 100 years old. Well, getting on for 100 years old.
And for them, the possibility of restoring a family heirloom has brought a few threads of memory back to life.
I think she altered a couple of pairs of trousers and stuff when when I was in short trousers a long, long time ago.
It would be lovely if I could use
the odd
it.
occasion when you need to alter something.
Yeah.
It's there.
So hopefully in a couple of weeks you'll be wearing short trousers again.
Not in this weather.
Brian's one of over 2,000 volunteers with Repair Cafe Wales. He swapped diagnosing patients as a GP to diagnosing broken items.
When did you realise that you were skilled in fixing things?
I don't know. From childhood, I loved dismantling things to find out how they worked. With grandchildren, I've been given the name of Grandpa Fix-It, Mr. Fix-It.
Grandpa Fix-It, I love
There's
that.
always toys being brought in, broken toys, things that don't work the way they should.
With over 130 pop-up shops across the country, the charity's now celebrating a special milestone: 1 million kilograms of carbon saving, which they say is the equivalent of driving up the length of the A470 from Llandudno to Cardiff Bay 60,000 times.
There's loads of environmental benefit to fixing something because we are stopping an item going into landfill, which is obviously brilliant, but also we're reducing carbon emissions associated with having to produce a new item in its place. But actually the spaces go way beyond kind of environmental benefit as well. We know that they save people loads of money. So the average visitor to a repair cafe saves about £83.
Repair cafes have also become a hub for the community.
It gives you that feeling of fulfillment that you've done something great, you've impacted the community, and you've made the world a better place.
The hope is that these small repairs will make a lasting difference while keeping the community turning one fix at a time. Caddy Gwyn Edwards, ITV News in Newport.
Were you doing what I was doing, thinking of all the things at home that need fixing? That you
I've got a list. Let me tell you, I wouldn't know where to start. It's such a brilliant idea, though, isn't it?
The weather needs fixing.
It needs all the help it can get, doesn't it?